What's up, you guys? If you guys been thinking about painting your fridge black, this is your sign to do it. I started off with cleaning off the gunk and the rust, taped up the edges, and I spray painted with Rust-Oleum. This was the first coat. This is how it came out. Threw some yarn in the handles, and then the side needed some paint. So I ran over to Walmart, got some of this acrylic paint, made sure it was matte because the spray is matte. Then I got to staining the wood. This was the second stain. And then I had my dad help me cut it out into 3 pieces, ran over to Lowe's, got some Gorilla Tape, taped up the boards, and this is how it came out. Let me know if I should paint the bottom white or black in the comments.